Hi, this is Chris, 24K on Instagram, 24K on Twitter, and 24K_lifestyle on TikTok. Today I'm showcasing the Kensington MD120U4. Basically that means this USB4 portable docking station works with Windows, macOS, iPadOS, Samsung DeX, and USB4 technology. Here's some quick details on the back, but we'll describe all the ports and what it has to offer. So you can connect up to an 8K monitor or two 4K monitors. It supports 100 watts and 40 gigabits a second because USB 4 supports 40 gigabits, just like Thunderbolt 3 technology. So here's the one cord that you connect to your computer or whatever else you're connecting it to. You can connect it to your Windows, macOS, iPadOS, Samsung DeX. Samsung DeX is great because the smartphone can support a desktop mode. So that means you can plug in a keyboard and a mouse to this unit and have your phone plugged into this unit as well and be able to use this all together like a desktop computer, but it's your smartphone. So here's some more information about what this has to offer. What's really important is over here, how you can connect and what kind of hertz that you get with your 4K connection and how it all works with this. So it's showing the two HDMI ports, which you have right here. It's two HDMI. You also have a 2.5 gigabit Ethernet port, which is most excellent. A lot of these smaller travel hubs do not have a 2.5 gigabit port. They usually have a 1 gigabit Ethernet port. And on this side, you have a 10 gigabit super speed USB-C port. And then over here, you have two 10 gigabit USB-A ports right there, super speed. And you have this nice cover on the top with the brand name right there. And it's just one cord, and it's pre-attached to the unit, so it does not come off. It makes it easy to throw in a travel bag. And then we'll show you this here on this side. So that's how it all connects. One USB-C 3.2 Gen 2 10 gigabit a second with 5 volts, 0.9 amps. And it shows how all this works together. When you use the wall plug, the 100 watts, connect it to the device, and then it supplies power to your computer as well. And it gives you some information right there about how that works. They've also created a website right here once you get the product to help you along. Simple to scan QR code right there. But what I like is that it works with so many devices like Windows, iPadOS, macOS, Samsung DeX. A lot of them don't work with Samsung DeX right out of the box, so this is definitely one of them. And one of the key points to this hub right here is that you want to make sure that your USB-C port on the computer supports alt mode and power delivery. So that's one of the key items right here at the top in the manual. Alt mode is important because it works much better with the higher end graphics cards and screen technologies. So this has really everything that you could need in a home hub docking station for so many of your devices. Like me, I have a Windows device, Mac, iPad, and Samsung DeX, so I can plug this into all of them and it will work. Great price on this as well. You can check it out from Kensington. It's the MD120U4 USB 4 portable docking station. Please subscribe to the channel. We appreciate positive comments and, of course, thumbs up.